Hey everyone, this is Esther with Esther Buys Houses here in Phoenix, Arizona at the Take Action workshop, the Wolf Couple, so you can see here. Anyways, we'll be here for about a week learning some great stuff. I'm really anxious to get going here and implementing a lot of the techniques, strategies that I'm going to be learning here. Help you guys out. That's my goal here, is to help out as many people as I can with different techniques in the stressful situations that you might be facing at the moment. So anyways, this is Esther with Esther Buys Houses. My number 915-247-8882. I do answer my phone, not like some other people out there. So feel free to give me a call. And if I don't answer, I'll give you a quick call right back, text you right back. So looking forward to talking to you guys. Take care. Again, the Wolf Couple, Phoenix, Arizona. Bye.